It's very important to breathe. Now, I know you may be sitting there watching this thinking, yes, we know it's very important to breathe. Breathing sustains life. But what I'm talking about is the importance of effective and engaged breathing when you need to calm yourself down and when you need to appear present and in control. Because if you're nervous and if we go into a state of anxiety, what tends to happen is that the breathing leaves us. We'll start breathing very, very shallow, small breaths in our upper chest. Now the problem with that is the brain has gone into panic mode and it needs oxygen to calm it down. But if you're only taking in tiny little breaths in the upper chest, you're not giving your brain the valuable oxygen that it needs. So what we need to do is to be able to click into the very effective way that our bodies have of breathing efficiently. And the simple way of doing that is to engage the diaphragm. Now there'll be plenty of people who'll tell you that this is something that only yogis can do, or only people who've studied acting at RADA can do for years and years and years. No, this is something that we can all do. We are born to do it. If you watch any child breathe, this is how we are born to breathe. And it's quite simply a matter of engaging this sheet of muscle that lives just below the ribs. When we inhale, the muscle pulls down, the lungs expand. Nature hates a vacuum, as we all know, so oxygen is drawn in. And the advantage of doing this is that when we breathe using the diaphragm, we take in roughly 4 times the amount of oxygen than we do when we are breathing in our upper chest. So you can imagine how relaxed the brain is going to be when it receives all of that beautiful oxygen to calm it down. So these are very, very simple things to do. All you need to do is just spend a bit of time re-engaging, getting to know your diaphragm, breathing, so that when you breathe, you take in a big, big gulp of oxygen. Your diaphragm pulls down, your guts are displaced, your tummy expands. When you exhale, your abdominal muscles, your obliques, your transverse abdominis, essentially your six-pack, contract and push the air out of your lungs. And that is the most effective way to breathe. When you can do that, all you then need to do is click it into place when you need to, and it takes literally a few seconds to do, and the results are absolutely spectacular for calming yourself down and making you appear to be very present in front of your audience. For more information on this and other topics, please do visit www.deberggroup.com. Thank you for watching.